Alright guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I'm making an eggnog ice cream. Alright, so you know it's the festive season is coming around and this is something I've always liked, eggnog. So I'm gonna infuse it in some ice cream today. Alright, so stick around guys and just watch me do this one real quick. As you could see guys, it's just 4 to 5 simple ingredients. Alright, it's a real easy one. Alright guys, so let's start by adding our heavy cream. Alright, could add our vanilla. Alright, and we could go ahead and add the rest cinnamon. Alright, then just cream that together. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead now and add some more eggnog. Oh yeah. Alright. Then we're gonna go and add some condensed milk. There you go. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish creaming this. Alright, I'm ready to go guys. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and then put it in the freezer, and that's it. Alright, so now we're going to transfer to our bowl. Alright. And we're going to cover this. And we're going to cover this and let it set for at least 4 hours. When we come back, we're going to have some nice, beautiful eggnog ice cream. All right, here you go, guys. 4 to 6 hours later, and we got some perfect eggnog ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and scoop up some of this one and enjoy.